Hey guys, this is Mr. Jared from Tony Slope. So for this week, I decided to teach you guys how to make a little ornament or a little Mickey ornament. So hope you guys find this useful, and make sure to, if you don't want to make Mickey, to make your favorite Disney character. So let's get to it. Okay, so the materials you're gonna need is some scissors and then either a black or white color pencil. I'm gonna be using white so it's easier to highlight the colors. And then depending on your character you're gonna be making, since I'm gonna be making Mickey, it's gonna be red and then black for the rest. And you could also use leftover scratch paper just to not waste any new papers. And you're also gonna need scissors, so let's get to it. So first, get something round. Doesn't matter how big. I'm gonna be using this lamp just to kind of make the circles. So just get your red construction paper first, and then kind of fold it into little pieces, so like that. And then since it is left over, make sure that this gets left out. So you just cut it for now. Okay, so now that that's ready, just kind of measure it out here. So you still have, like, as you can see, like a few space left, more space left. So again, fold it again. And then measure it out again, and you have you still have some space right here, so you just kind of fold this thing in. So you're gonna be making circles. Okay, so as you can see, so now with your color pencil, you circle the thing. So you should have circles left like this. Then you just separate them and make sure that they're all not stuck together. Okay, so you got this. Now get your black construction paper and kind of repeat the same, but instead of making two, like a bunch of little circles, just make two black ones. So once again, just get this and fold it, and then measure it out again. Okay, so now that you have that ready, you just put this thing aside. Get your little circles and fold them in half. So go like this and then fold them in half. So just repeat it for every single one. Okay, so now that you have this ready, get your glue stick and start gluing one side. So like after you flip it, glue this side. Get your other get your other circle, glue it on this end, just go like that, then just repeat it all around until you get a full circle. Okay, so after you have it ready, just separate them over, something like that. And now get your little two smaller or black circles and kind of get one on each side like that. And now get some string and kind of, again, tape it on the back and make it like a little loophole. Okay, so after you get your string, you just kind of measure it out. Depends how wide you want it. So then just cut it. And then either with the glue stick or with some tape, just kind of tape it on the back. So just kind of measure it out. I'm gonna be putting it behind the ear. So something like that. And then you just repeat it on this side too. So So there's your little tree ornament, your little Mickey Mouse ornament. So hope you guys enjoyed and find this useful.